Is that your default?
Yeah.
You still like the other one better?
Yeah, I like them both. It's great having two phones in the bed.
Oh, I love the way you drove today. I felt like you were keeping up with the flow and of the faster traffic, but you were being safe and you weren't like, I didn't feel freaked out at all. You didn't trigger my car trauma. You know I have car trauma, right? No, you know I do. That's why I never got a license. Think about it. Because I was in so many accidents when I was under 5. I barely could be in the car anymore. I used to take buses home.
All my niggas really drill, ho. Fuck with us and you get killed, bro.